Okay, on problem number 3. The question says, what are the slope and y-intercept of a line that contains the point 3, -4, and has the same slope as 4x minus 3y equals 12. So we're looking for another line that has the same slope as this, but contains the points 3 and -4. Okay? All right, so the first thing we need to do is we need to find out what is the slope of this line. So in order to find out what the slope of this line is, the best way to do it is to put this in what you call y-intercept form. Right now, this is in standard form. Okay, in standard form is ax plus by equals c. And that's called the standard form. But what we need to do is we need to convert this into y-intercept form. Which is y equals mx plus b. Okay? Now, the way I like to do this is I like to label these parts that belong to the y-intercept form. Like, for example, this is my mx part right here. This is my y part, and this is my b part. But my problem is all this is out of order. I need to put it in this order right here. Okay? So it's like a puzzle. You're just taking the puzzle and you're putting the pieces back like it needs to be in that form right there. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go 4x minus 3y equals 12. So in order for me, what I need to do, I need to get this y portion all by itself on one side. So I need to take this 4x and move it to the other side over here where the 12 is. Now the rule is, anytime you move something on the other side of the equal sign, the sign changes. It's positive over here, right? So when I move it over here, it's going to become negative. So now what's going to happen is going to be 3y is equal to -4x plus 12. Okay, now can you see this is the y part, y equals mx plus b. Okay, I have one other step to do. You see how over there in the y-intercept form, how there's a y by itself? You see how there's a -3 right here? There cannot be anything in front of that y. When you have a number and a letter combined, this is multiplication. What's the opposite of multiplication? Division. So in order to cancel this out where y is by itself, I have to divide by -3. So anything that you do on one side of the equation, you have to do on the other side. So I'm going to divide by -3, divide everything by -3. Okay? So now what we have is y is equal to negative divided by negative is what? If I divide a negative by a negative,
positive.
I'm going to get a positive. Here's the rules. Negative divided by a negative is positive. Positive divided by a positive is positive. And the negative divided by a positive is negative. A positive divided by a negative is also going to give you a negative. If the signs are the same, your answer is going to be positive. If the signs are different, your answer is going to be minus. Okay? So now this becomes 4 over 3 x positive divided by negative, negative, minus 4. Because 12 divided by 3 is 4. So, William, what's my slope here? Oh, first of all, guys, the letter M is your slope. B, the letter B stands for your y-intercept. Your y-intercept tells you where this line, if you graph the line, it tells you where the line crosses the y-axis. So this is y equals mx plus b. So what's my slope?
4 over 3.
4 over 3. So my slope for this one is 4 over 3. What's my y-intercept? 4. What kind of 4?
-4.
Negative 4. You always have to put whatever sign is in front, you put that with it, that goes with it. So my y-intercept is going to be -4. Okay? Okay, but now what I have to do, I have to find another line that has the same slope as this one, but contains these 2 points right here. So I have to use what they call the point slope form, because I have a point and I have the slope. Okay, and that that formula is y minus y1 is equal to the slope times x minus x1. Okay, and they gave us the point here. The point is 3 and 4, right? So this is x1. This is y1. So now, oh, and then I have my slope, which is 4/3. Okay? So, just substitute these numbers in for the variable. So y1, what's my value for y1? -4. So I'm gonna go y minus, you have to put the minus sign here. Y minus -4 is equal to, what's my slope? 4 over 3 times x minus, what's x1? 3. Okay, when you have two negatives close together like this, it becomes a plus sign. Negative and a negative is going to be a plus. So this is y plus 4 equals 4/3 times x minus 3. Okay? This is my y. You see this? You see parentheses? Parentheses tell you to either combine what's on the inside. If I can't combine them, I have to multiply or distribute whatever on the outside times everything that's on the inside. So I'm going to distribute this 4/3 to everything that's here. So it's going to be y plus 4 is equal to 4/3 x minus 4/3 times 3. Okay? So I'm going to go to another step and go y plus 4 is equal to 4/3 x minus 4 times 3 is what? 12. Divided by 3. So y plus 4 is equal to 4/3 x minus 12 divided by 3? 4. Almost done. I have one problem.
You have 2 4s in there.
Anybody know what my problem is? Anybody know what my problem is?
You have a 4.
This 4 right here. I can't have, you see, I have to have y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. I have to have y all by itself.
So you have to subtract 4.
Subtract 4. Minus 4 here, minus 4 here. This cancels out. Y is equal to 4/3 x. -4 plus a -4.
8. -8.
-8. So this is the equation. This is the equation of a line that has the same slope as this one. That line has the same slope as this one, but the only difference is the y-intercept is different. Here, my y-intercept is -4. On this line over here, my y-intercept is -8, but it contains these 2 points right here. Okay? See? Because I substituted in 3, and I substituted in -4. The slope is the same, but my y-intercept is different. So that's how you would convert it. Okay?